10 lines on Govardhan Puja. 1. Govardhan Puja is celebrated every year on the next day of Diwali. Two. On this day, Lord Shri Krishna raised Govardhan mountain on his little finger to save the people of Braj from the wrath of Indra. 3. On this day, worship of Govardhan mountain, Godhan, that is cow, and Lord Shri Krishna has special significance. 4. On this day, there is also a tradition of worshipping gods like Varun Dev, Indra Dev, and Agni Dev, etc. 5. On this day, Govardhan mountain is revolved 7 times. 6. It is believed that circumventing Govardhan mountain on this day brings blessings of Lord Shri Krishna. 7. The worship material of Govardhan Puja includes roli, sandalwood, flowers, incense, lamp, fruits, sweets, akshat, cow dung. 8. To offer to God, bhog is prepared by mixing panchamrit, honey, curd, sugar, etc. 9. According to religious scriptures, Lord Shri Krishna had inspired the people of Gokul to perform Govardhan Puja. 10. Govardhan Puja symbolizes the victory of dedication and love over ego. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel.